Hi, 8th grade. Here are your Chapter 6 notes for To Kill a Mockingbird. So under the summary, we're going to begin with the fact that Jem tries to peek in Boo's window. The adults who then hear a noise, because remember, enough noise happens that they have to then run away out of the yard at night. All the adults think that it's a prowler. Specifically, they are making an assumption that this is a black person. In the process of escaping, Jem loses his pants. That's your third bullet point. Okay, there is like a barbed wire type fence, so as he's trying to slide under, because the other two were smaller, they got through fast and safely, and he loses his pants. 4, we see Dill invents a reason, it's a lie, okay, for Jem having no pants. It's supposedly strip poker, even though they don't realize that's gambling, because they know if it was to do with cards, then that's a big old sin in those times. And then the very last part of the chapter ends with Jem goes back for his pants, even though it's the middle of the night, everyone else is asleep. He is more afraid of losing his father's good opinion than he is of being caught and shot by Nathan Radley. Okay, some important quotes. We have page 54. Mr. Radley shot at a Negro in his collard patch. This shows prejudice. Okay, the willingness to shoot a black person like a dog. They did not view black people as people. That's, again, a huge issue that we see in this story. Page 56, under important quotes, we shouldn't have done that tonight. So here, this is Jem growing up. This is true education. He's able to reflect and figure out, that wasn't the best idea. So we see true education. Jem is growing up. Notes on themes and motif, page 54. Next time, shots will be aimed lower for a dog or a black person. So before he shot into the air as a warning shot, now he's shooting down. And again, this prejudice that we see towards black people, that they are being treated like a dog, not a person. Page 56 to 57, Jem shows courage for going back to get his pants. He knows the risk, and he shows courage to go back and get them. Page 57, we also see again a theme. It is not time to worry. So Scout is learning this from Atticus, and she is trying to calm herself with this. Where would she have heard this phrase before? It's not time to worry yet. Atticus. Atticus is the one who she learned how to read from. So this is where she is learning, is from her father. So this idea is going to be shown more and more. The idea that there's a time to worry, but it's not time to worry yet. Okay, that's your summary notes. We do have one vocab word for today. This is going to be found in Chapter 8. It is quelled. One moment, and I'm going to use the board to go ahead and do the crazy camera work to get there. Once again, just to check and see how many of you actually are watching these videos and actually getting the notes the way that I am trying to give them to you. If you would send me an email with today's vocab word, quelled, I will count that as extra credit. Okay? You don't have to watch these videos, but I would like to say thank you if you are taking the time to do so. So email me the word quelled. What does quelled mean? Let's take a look. Merp. There we go. Here it is. Quelled is a verb. What does it mean? It means to suppress or to force down. So if I was going to quell my children's noise, I would try and suppress it or force it down. I just don't think I can. All right, that's all for today. See you later, 8th grade.